Hello and welcome back to Spanish from Scratch. If you have been watching my videos, thank you very much for your support. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, and I hope my videos help you speak Spanish better. Today's lesson will be the continuation of the subjunctive in present. In the previous class, we learned how the conjugation works step by step. So if you haven't watched that video, I strongly recommend you do before getting into this one. Today we are going to start learning when and how to use the subjunctive in what situations with the first concept. That will be when you need someone or you want someone to do something. Now let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so let's take a look at this, okay? Let's take a look at the first example. And we have, necesito que me ayudes con mi español. That is something you would say to me. Eduardo, necesito que me ayudes con mi español. So let's analyze this sentence. The first thing we need to note that we use subjunctive when we have two subjects, okay? In this case, we have necesito, I need that you help me, que me ayudes. Now, so we have the subject yo and the subject tú. So we have sujeto uno, subject one, tú, sujeto dos, subject two. So the subjunctive is used normally with the indicative, okay, with real things, with normal times. In this sentence, there is only one part that is real. Yo necesito, I need something. So that is the real part in simple present. Yo necesito. And what do I need? Well, I need that you help me. Necesito que me ayudes. So that is the part that is not real yet, and the reason why we need to use the subjunctive. I don't know if you will help me or not, so I need to put this in another tense. Let's repeat. Necesito que me ayudes. One more time. Necesito que me ayudes. I need you to help me. Now, we connect the subjunctive tense with the indicative tense with the word que. This will be the nexus, the bridge to connect the real part of the sentence with the unreal part of the sentence. Let's take a look at example number 2. Mi tía quiere que bailes con ella. One more time. Mi tía quiere que bailes con ella. So, mi tía, my aunt, wants something. That is the real part. My aunt wants something. Mi tía quiere que. What does she want? That you dance with her. So, whether if you will dance with her or not, we don't know. We only know that she wants that. So we say, mi tía quiere que bailes con ella. Let's repeat that one more time. Mi tía quiere que bailes con ella. And let's take a look at the last one. Tenemos, ¿quieres que compre? ¿Qué quieres que compre en el súper? So we have two subjects again. Tú and yo. So the question basically is, what do you want me to buy at the supermarket? So I say, ¿qué quieres? Because I know you want me to buy something, but I don't know what it is. So the verb comprar, the verb that I'm doing, needs to be in subjunctive. Let's repeat. ¿Qué quieres que compre en el súper? Otra vez, one more time. ¿Qué quieres que compre en el súper? What do you want me to buy at the supermarket? So this is the way. We will always have someone who needs or wants something, and the person that we don't know if will do or assist the other person, okay? So we need the subject 1 and the subject 2. Okay, so now let's go with some examples. Now, imagine what a boss will tell to a worker, okay? The types of things would say, I need you to do something, I need you to do this, I want you to do this. And let's take a look at the first example. We could say something like, quiero que llegues temprano mañana. Okay? One more time. Quiero que llegues temprano mañana. Would be like, I want you to arrive early tomorrow. We could also have, no quiero que comas en la oficina. I don't want you to be eating in the office. Or, necesito que hagas el reporte. I need you to do the report. Okay? Let's take a look at another scenario. Now, imagine you as a student and you have some demands for me, okay? You can say, Eduardo, quiero que me enseñes palabras nuevas. I want you to teach me new words. Let's repeat that one more time. Quiero que me enseñes palabras nuevas. You could also ask me, Eduardo, quiero que corrijas mis errores. I want you to correct my mistakes. One more time. Quiero que corrijas mis errores. Or you can also say, necesito que me ayudes con mi español. I need you to help me with my Spanish. One more time. Necesito que me ayudes con mi español. Yo diré, claro que sí. Of course I will. But I can also demand things from you. And I would say, yo quiero que estudies todos los días. I want you to study every day. Quiero que estudies todos los días. Also, necesito que practiques las conjugaciones. I need you to practice the conjugations. One more time. Necesito que practiques las conjugaciones. And most important of all, quiero que te suscribas a este canal. I want you to subscribe to this channel. Quiero que te suscribas a este canal. And it's as easy as this. So now you can see that the subjunctive is not that difficult to use, okay? You just need to practice with different verbs and you need to think, what do you want or what do you need other people to do? In this case, you can ask me in the comments. Tell me, what do you need me or do you want me to do as your Spanish teacher? And I will ask you the questions. ¿Qué necesitas que haga? Or ¿qué quieres que haga por ti? Make sure to ask me in the comment section of this video. And remember, if you found value in this video and you want to support me and my content, please subscribe to this channel or share this video if you think someone will find it useful. Now keep studying and I'll see you in the next one.